Hi there, welcome to the Watertown Free Public Library Online. My name is Jakavri and I am the Digital Services Librarian at WFPL. Today I'd like to give you a quick tutorial on how to set up or change your PIN. We'll start at the library homepage, watertownlib.org, and click on My Account. This will take you to the login site for the Minutemen Library Network. If you don't think you have a PIN, you can create one by entering your 14-digit library card number in the first box, leave the password field blank, and hit Submit. If you do have a PIN but you are unable to remember it, click the Forgot Your Password link near the bottom of the screen. Enter your 14-digit library card number in the box and click Submit. This will send an email to the email address we have on file. If you do not receive an email, or if you don't have an email address on file with us, feel free to contact us and one of our librarians will be able to assist you. To contact us, simply click the Text a Librarian link from the library's homepage. Enter your information, including either an email address or a mobile number that can receive text messages. Hit Submit and your question will be answered as soon as possible. That's just a quick tutorial on how to set up or change your PIN. From all of us at the Watertown Free Public Library, we hope that you're staying healthy and we look forward to seeing you in the library once we have reopened.